In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Datadog Event Management. By the end, you'll know how to create a solid metric monitor that generates clear, actionable events, routes the right notifications, and enforces the right permissions. You'll just need access to your Datadog account with permissions to create monitors. Start by opening Datadog and making sure you're in the correct region for your organization. From the left-hand navigation, head to Monitoring. This is your operational hub for insights and alerts, and it's where you can create new monitors that turn raw signals into manageable events. Next, create a new monitor, then choose Metric. Metric monitors are the backbone of event management because they evaluate continuous time series and emit events whenever conditions you define are met. This is what keeps responders informed without drowning them in noise. Pick a detection method that matches your use case. A static threshold is reliable for well-understood baselines, like CPU above a fixed percentage. Anomaly detection helps when normal behavior changes over time, catching deviations without constant tuning. Outlier detection is useful for spotting one misbehaving host within a group, and forecast-based alerts can warn you before you actually breach a limit. If you're unsure, start with a simple threshold and iterate. Now define the metric. Select the metric name, set your filters and tags to scope it to the right services or environments, and choose the aggregation and time window that represent meaningful behavior. The preview graph is your friend here. Use it to validate that your query shows the exact slice of data you intend. Consider how to treat missing data so you don't suppress real incidents or create false alarms. Set your alert conditions. Specify critical and, if helpful, warning thresholds. Decide whether to alert per group, such as per host or service, or as a single combined alert. Tune the evaluation window and any delays to reduce flapping, and configure recovery logic so events automatically resolve when the metric returns to normal. Configure notifications and automations. Write a clear title and message with actionable context: what happened, why it matters, and what to do next. Use tags and template variables to include runbook links, dashboards, or incident channels. Add your notification routes such as email, chat, on-call systems, or webhooks, and consider automations like triggering a workflow for diagnostics or remediation. Finally, set permissions and audit notifications. Limit who can edit or mute the monitor, and enable audit notices so changes are tracked in your chosen channel. Give your monitor a clear, searchable name, then save. That's it. You've set up Datadog Event Management from metric selection to permissions, creating events that are timely, contextual, and actionable.